Hey everyone, it's me again, Jolene, a nail artist. Today I'm going to show you how I do gel nail correction and a simple Valentine's Day design. First I prepared my nails, then I used a nail dehydrator. Then I used a thin layer of bond base coat. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm going to put gel onto the nail. I use my favorite gel method. I pull it to me. Then I do the same on all my nails. I wipe off the tacky surface using a nail cleaner. Then file, shape, and buff. I use this technique with a hand file. And now I am ready to put some beautiful color on them. First, I use a nude pink color with small glitters. I'm going to start from this corner into this corner, and then make a round. Now I'm going to fill in those areas with white. I'm going to draw white and black hearts. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I apply the no wipe top coat all over my nails and cure it in lamp 60 seconds. This is the final result. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.